Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of efficient gardening with the Common Culture Trim Tray Kit, a comprehensive trimming bundle designed to optimize your plant harvesting process. This kit includes a 13 by 20 inch trimming tray with a 150 micron pollen screen, a bottom harvest bin, 2 pairs of scissors, a brush, a magnifying card, 8 rubber feet, and 2 Integra boost packs, ensuring you have everything you need for a zero-waste harvest. The ergonomic and portable design of the tray provides ample workspace and is made from thick polymer material that cleans and dries quickly, making it perfect for both large operations and small residential spaces. With this durable trimming tray kit, you can keep all your trimming in one convenient station, whether you're working on a tabletop or in your lap, enhancing your efficiency and saving time. Common Culture is committed to making gardening easy with high-quality tools and supplies that ensure the best results, whether you're a professional or a home grower. So, if you're looking to improve your plant trimming process and collect extra pollen for plant fertilization, this kit is your go-to solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.